Hey, you guys. How y'all doing? Hopefully fine. I'm outside of my complex because I'm finna clean up, because just litter just everywhere. Let me show y'all. So as you can see, that's what I'm talking about. This litter there, litter in here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Litter out here, and the plants are starting to bloom, and the people of the property here are not properly cleaning up, because they have a crew that is paid to clean up here, and they not properly cleaning up here, y'all. So I'm finna have to make an example. That's what you do. Look at all that litter in there and stuff. Come on. Ooh, and it's chilly out here, so I'm finna have to come out here and do a little something on this windy, chilly day. Get all in here. Do you see the litter? It's just snow. The polar animals deal with this stuff, y'all, because it's the animals and the environment. So I'm finna start doing what I do. So y'all can tag along, okay? Holla back.
This is a Soul Speakers conception. They call me Soul Speaker Conception. They call me Soul Speaker. They call me Soul Speaker. Yeah, they call me Soul Speaker. Soul Speaker. Soul Speaker. Soul Speaker. Soul Speaker. They call me Soul Speaker. They call me Soul Speaker. They call me Soul Speaker. 'Cause I speak for my soul. You can never let go. Better know. Just open up the problem.
This is on some mess. Yes, you're on some mess. Because I have to go and finish making this video. Okay? And she's so cute. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. That's Samus, y'all. But now I'm finna show y'all the end result of my work. Even though now it's raining now. And it got cold. It got real cold. And I guess now it's decided to drizzle a little bit. But it's super cold. So I had to take a little break. But let's take a look at the work, right? Okay. I didn't have to do much, you know. So it's raining. Yes, it's raining. I knew it was coming because it got real cold all of a sudden. But let's look at the work. Okay, I'll walk slow. Nice and clean. Like how I like it. So, check over here, see as well. As you can see, everything is clean. Cause it was really junky over here. Since I'm over here by Sox Stadium, y'all, it gets kind of crazy. So I took the liberty to go around here, clean around here too, y'all. But y'all can see I did that just as well. I did this over here. So let's keep walking. See, all clean. Did this back here. And did this over here. Did some of this over here as well. Yeah, I was working, y'all. All that down there. I did some of this over here. I stopped at that sidewalk, but I got some of this over here. You know, nice and clean, isn't it? Got some up here, and even here, and here. So as you can see, you know, some things I couldn't get everything, but I tried to get most things. There was a lot of Black and Mild and cigarette butts too, so I wish people start throwing those in the right places and stop throwing them on trees and stuff. But yeah, as you can see, it's nice and clean. So I'm gonna take my butt in the house. Like I said, it's raining and it's cold. My little old man hands started freezing up on me, y'all. And I was just over it. But I'm thankful to y'all that I got a chance to, you know, clean up out here where I live. And I hope I have inspired someone to do the same in their neighborhood too. So, on that note, me and Samus want to say y'all have a nice day. Right, Samus? Right?